Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I have got an Asda shop. It's a little bit different to normal because we're isolating. Cheeseburger has a cough. We need to get a test before she can go back to school. Can't get a test. If we don't get one by tomorrow, then it's too late and we just have to isolate. So I've done a slightly bigger shop than normal. It was £80 and yeah, which I've tried to buy sort of things that I can, like more meat than normal, so we can portion it out and put it in the freezer, if that makes sense, because we're not allowed to go out anywhere for 14 days. So yeah, it is Tuesday today, and we've been trying to get a test since Sunday and it is just not happening. So not because we're not trying, we are trying, we're desperately trying to get a test and we're willing to travel to get a test, but they're unavailable because the government are useless. Anyway, let's not get into that because I'll get all ranty. If you're first time here, I'm Lucy. Hi, I'm a mum of 3, 6-year-old, 4-year-old, 1-year-old, all eat loads, other half eats a lot as well. I am calorie counting, doing sort of between 1200 and 1300 calories a day. I will chat to you after we've gone through all this and I've put it all away about a meal plan. But let's just jump in. If you like these videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. But yeah, let's jump into the shopping. So as I said, this is Asda. I got 2 lots of my caffeine-free Diet Coke because this is never on offer, and for the first time ever it was. It's £4.35 for 8 cans, which is ridiculous, but they were 2 for £6 today, so I wish I'd got more because it was such a good deal. But yeah, and I'm not allowed caffeine, that's why I have this, and it's just like my favourite. I only have one a day, but it's like my little treat. Some burger buns, because also this week we have Ben's birthday and he has picked burgers and prawns and garlic mushrooms and stuff for dinner, which you will see as we go through. So we've got burger buns, some French toast. I really like these for my lunches. Digestive biscuits, because Ben's requested a cheesecake. Salt and pepper. I normally buy from the sort of world aisle in Tesco's. They have a really nice big bag of coarse black pepper. But this is Asda, so they didn't have it. I just got this. 5 Freddos. I have these as like my little treat. I keep them in the freezer. And they're like less than 100 calories each, 97 calories, and I love them. These are for Ben's burgers, brioche buns. He'll probably have 2 and then the other 2 will go in the freezer. I got 24 eggs. I ordered medium, but they only had large, so they sent these, which is fine. But we go through a lot of eggs because we bake a lot, and then 4 out of 5 of us eat eggs. So that will last us probably a week. And then we've got beans sausages for Mika, she loves these. Kiwi, cucumber, some teeny weeny baking potatoes. They're tiny, they're rubbish. Last time I bought these, they were brilliant, but these are pissy little ones, which is annoying. Some bananas, which are luminous green. 3 bags of giant Wotsits. Fox has these as a snack, obviously not the whole bag. He only has like 3 or 4, but he loves them. And they were on offer, so I stocked up on them. The tiniest cauliflower in the world, like, how ridiculously small is that? So small. Bag of oranges for Foxy, again, which look tiny. Got myself some decaf coffee, some onions, and then some Maris Pipers. And then I've got my meat, so I've got 2 lots of lean 5% steak mince. Some chicken, which I will portion out and then freeze. 2 lots of sausages, because sausages is a meal that everybody in this house eats, like something where I don't have to cook anything different. So I've got 2 lots of them. 1 will go into the freezer. A butter, 2 lots of squash because the girls have run out. I have orange, but they like lemon, lime and cherries. 2 lots of milk for Foxy and Aria, and then me, Mika and Ben. Some dough balls, just because Ari likes these, and they've got quite a long date on them. They've got like a week-long date, so we'll put these in the fridge and then we'll have them with something one night. These are for Ben's birthday. He requested some prawns. Got some mascarpone for his cheesecake, some Philadelphia for his cheesecake. I got my crispy potato slices because I absolutely love these. Half a pack of these is like 210 calories, and I have them dipped in soup and it's amazing instead of bread, and I don't feel it's bloated. halloumi, butter for the cheesecake base, garlic mushrooms for Ben's birthday, garlic bread to have in the freezer, sausage balls, just for snacks for Mika. So I normally order the fake frubes. I don't know why these have come. Maybe they were a sub. I never order them unless these were on offer. I never order the proper frubes. I do the tubes. I think it's tubes. The cheap Asda ones normally. Double cream for the cheesecake. 2 lots of pizza. 1 for Mika and 1 for Aria. My Lindors, which is like 150 calories or something for one of these, is it? No, 95 calories a pot, and they're amazing. They're really filling, high in protein. 2 lots of the kids' waffles because the girls have these and Fox likes them now. Curly fries for Ben's birthday, and that is it. It doesn't actually look that much there, but yeah, I think it's the meat that made it more expensive this week. So yeah, that was the shop. I will put it away and then we'll have a chat later on. It is much later. The shopping has been put away. The kids have gone to bed. We've had our dinner. Have we had our dinner? Yeah, we've had our dinner. It's just been like 4 hours since we had our dinner. What am I talking about? Food plan. So yeah, today's Tuesday, tomorrow's Wednesday, and I think what are we gonna have tomorrow night? I think I'm probably gonna have pasta again tomorrow night. I have been having pasta with broccoli and I've been cooking a corn on the cob, and then I've been slicing off the corn so it's just like loose corn. I do have corn in a can as well and in the freezer, but I just had some corn on the cobs that need using, so that's how I've been doing it. Mixing that all together and then getting some seriously strong spread, melting that, putting that on top of it, a little bit of cheese and then a little bit of chorizo fried, so it goes crispy, and then some crispy onions, and it works out about like 450 calories, and it is so good. It's so nice, like ridiculously nice. I am obsessed with cauliflower. It's like my favourite thing ever. I like to put it in everything, and no one else in the house likes it, but I love it. So, and then Thursday is Ben's birthday, so we're having burgers. Everyone will have a homemade burger, which we just make with lean steak mince. We get like a 500-gram packet, and that does all of us. Like Fox has a little tiny burger, and then Mika has just sort of like a McDonald's sized burger. Ari has 2 little burgers, just she doesn't have hers in a bun. I have a burger that's like 4 ounces but not in a bun, and then Ben has the biggest burger in a bun. And they will all have curly fries with theirs. I have popcorn with mine, and then some onion rings. Ben's got garlic mushrooms because it's his birthday, so he's picked garlic mushrooms. He's got some tempura prawns. What else has he got? I think that's it. I think that's it for his birthday dinner. Then he'll probably have like bacon sandwiches on his birthday as well, and we're making him a cheesecake, a no-bake cheesecake. And then Friday night, I think we'll probably have chicken and rice maybe. Mika will probably have chicken and noodles because she doesn't like rice, but everyone else will have chicken and veg, and then just some white rice. And then probably some black beans on the side as well, just because I love black beans, and some corn. Black beans and corn I want to put in everything, and cauliflower. Then Saturday, I think probably falafel. We'll probably have falafel. We're trying to do like more veggie nights, but it's like the kids are so funny with like the veggie food. They'll eat the veggie nuggets. I don't tell them that they're veggie nuggets, but they'll eat like veggie chicken nuggets. They're my favourites. I don't eat normal chicken nuggets. I only eat the veggie ones. They'll eat those. But like falafel, they'll sometimes hit and miss. So it might just be me and Ben having falafel. And then a Sunday, we're probably going to have a shepherd's pie, I think, or just savoury mince and mash. Because we're isolating at the moment, so we're just trying to eat out of the freezer as well. Like we've got we bought some extra meat and stuff, so we've got it, so like as soon as I put stuff away, half the meat just went straight in the freezer, so it's there, so that I don't have to go out next week, and then we can just get friends and family just to drop us around fresh stuff when we need it, like just berries and milk and stuff like that we need. So yeah, and then lunches and stuff, I am making a lot of soup. I've been having, my favourite soup is, you get an onion. I'll probably do a cook along with it, unless I already have. If I have, I'll link it, but I don't think I have. But it's literally just like an onion and celery cooked until it's really, really soft. And then frozen cauliflower, frozen broccoli, wanged in water with stock, bubble it up, cook it until it's all soft, blend it up. And then I keep that in the fridge. And then when I want it, I heat up my portion and then I grate however much cheese I want into a bowl. So normally like 25 grams of reduced fat cheddar into a bowl, and I pour my hot soup on it so it melts and makes it stringy, and then you can kind of control the fat content because the soup on its own is very, very low calorie, and then you can control how much cheese you have. And 25 grams doesn't sound a lot, but it's just perfect. And then I have that with crackers or with little crispy potatoes or new potatoes dipped in it. It's really, really nice. And I'm just not a big fan of having bread with it because I just feel crap after I eat bread. What else for lunches? Noodles occasionally. If I've got no time, I'll have noodles. I have lots of like the French toast that you saw me buy earlier. I have them with Philadelphia and thin ham and cucumber on. I really like them. And then like I eat a lot of a snack on a lot of like cherry tomatoes. Absolutely love cherry tomatoes covered in salt and pepper. So good. As of now, I have lost, I think, 7.5 pounds, I think. As of today, my weigh-in isn't for another couple of days. But yeah, I think I'm 7.5 pounds down since I started calorie counting, so I'm really happy with that. But yeah, let me know what you've been having, how you've been getting on. If you found anything new that you absolutely love, like me with my really random pasta cauliflower corn combo that is just absolutely delicious. Whenever I eat it, I'm just like, oh, I don't want this bowl to end because it's so yummy. By having cauliflower with your pasta, you can eat less pasta because the cauliflower bulks it out and you feel like you're still eating lots but much less calories. So that is what I do anyway. But yeah, thank you for watching and I'll see you all very, very soon. Bye guys.